Hello Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike again. This is an update on a video that I did recently for Tim up in North Carolina, who sent me his carburetor for repair. And Tim was great and nice enough to send me a video of him running it on his motor after I rebuilt it and sent it back to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through the cleaning of it and the actual video that Tim sent back to me. This is the reason why I do the things I do. I was able to help somebody out, couldn't get his carburetor working on his own, sent it to me, I was able to repair it and send it back. I love what I do. So if everybody's ready, here we go. I've soaked the carburetor 45 minutes in my Ken dip, cleaned it with soap and water, blew it out with air. I'm gonna put it back together, and I don't like the looks of this cork. Got a funny color to it, like it might be bad. So I'm gonna change it with a rubber cork, and we'll see how that works. The wind is blowing on the lake today. All right, I got Tim's carburetor on here, cleaned it, replaced the float in it, and guess what? Runs like a charm. That's how you fix a carburetor. I'm gonna send it back to you now, Tim. It should be good to go. Well, Tim was good enough to send me this video of him running his motor with the rebuilt carb that I was able to send back to Tim. Listen how this thing is purring like a kitten. I am so happy to be able to help Tim and help anyone else out there who wants to send me their carburetor. I can do this for you. Listen to that motor purr. Aye! We're doing it one carburetor at a time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. I love what I do. I especially love helping people with their hobby and providing all the services that you need to work on these vintage outboard motors. So I'd like to take this opportunity to go over the things that I can offer you. So first thing is my eBay store. I have an eBay store, been having it for 10 or 12 years, I have over 2,000 parts. If you need parts, T-Mike's eBay store is where to go. I have a link for all these things down in the description. Just click on the link, it'll bring you right to my store. I also offer a mail-in service program. You can ship me your magneto, carburetor, or gear case. I'll repair it here, test it on my motors, and send it right back to you. Alright? I also offer technical consulting. I have a link down in the description on eBay to buy at $40 an hour. I don't mind you calling me and helping you for 10 or 15 minutes for free. If it takes longer than that and you want to dedicate an hour or two towards helping it, just buy one of these items on eBay and I'll give you technical consulting. I also do repair, service, and restoration on outboard motors. You've seen my videos, you've seen my work. Here's a link to the video to give you the prices for doing that work. You can ship me your motor, I can restore it for you and ship it back to you. Alright? I've also started selling parts on eBay. Alright? I sell a full tune-up kit, the master kit. It's got everything you need: coils, points, condensers, spark plugs, spark wires with the boots on them, everything you need to rebuild your carburetor. And then I also sell all these parts individually. You can buy just the coils, just the tune-up kit, just the spark plugs, just the spark wires if you want. Alright? And also, I'm now offering T-Mike Vintage Outboard caps and mouse pads. If you want to join the T-Mike Club, all these links are down in the description. Also, I would like to mention that if you have any videos that I don't have that you would like to make, just hit me on YouTube or text me at 337-278-5429. I'll gladly make a video. I've got over 270 now videos on these motors. I think I have everything covered, but if I don't, just go ahead and hit me up. I'd love to make a video to help you guys out. And always remember, and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video.